Central Park or Civic Park?
Civic Park.
Yeah, this is Warragul Civic Park. So the weather is nice. Plenty of people. Look at that. There's no class today,
Huh?
but we have to wear what?
Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Good morning! We're here now at Warragul Country Club. Beautiful weather today. Kaya nagsisilabasan yung mga tao. Still winter here. Kaya pang dead. Tita Mercy, hello ta. You can have lunch here. There's restaurant. You can play golf in that area, in that side. They're playing golf there. Ayan, nagsilabasan na sila. Panahon. Hindi nakakahiya. Mga Australian here. So dress code. Beautiful weather today. We're here at Warragul Country Club and we're having our lunch here. This is a restaurant. There is also a golf area. Ayan. Marami ngayon naglalaro ng golf kasi because of the weather. And the last time I said the restriction here was already lifted. But it's only like we can only travel more than 1 kilometer. What kind of fish is this? This is plenty of children. Look how pretty the flowers. It's like gomomela in the Philippines. What do you call this? Ah, that is camellia flowers. And that one is also this color red, and there's color white. Look at that. But it's like finished blooming already. Because you look dull. Around these trees. Children playgrounds. We're going to the, it's like lake. There's water lily. Sorry. Wow! Yeah, but they're eating, that's why we went to their house. Wow, what do you call this one? Huh? This one is expensive, right? This kind of flowers. It is like yes. Ah, look at that. Very nice. Yeah, that one is there. Yeah, Tita Mercy husband is doing their hunting. That's why every Saturday she likes to go out. So now we're here. Tita Mercy drive to Warragul. We have it's gonna be springtime. You can see plenty of beautiful flowers. So yeah. Hala! Nakalabas! We're still in a countryside here in Victoria because we cannot go in city yet.
45 minutes to Melbourne.
Yeah.
Warragul is 45 minutes drive to Melbourne.
Melbourne, yeah, because Melbourne's still in lockdown. So we're just enjoying the countryside near to our places. So yeah. So yeah.
Punta muna tayo doon sa sa golf.
Ay, ang ganda ng trees.